Now, when we have a circle graph like this, circle graphs total, they've got all these percentages in here and they equal 100%. Okay? So first off, whenever you have a graphic in any class, you should start by studying the graphic before you do any of the work. So I see that the graph is talking about favorite music, and I can see that there's a circle, so I know it must equal 100% total. I see all these percentages for each box, which must mean that 25% like this, 32% like this. And then the colors down here tell me what each of these sections mean. So I know that 25% of people liked rock music in this survey, 28% like hip hop, and so on. So I can actually use this to find the probability of something. And I don't have to do the fraction for this because there's percents are already expressed as fractions over 100. So let me show you what I mean by that. To find the probability that someone likes pop or country, what I would do for that is I would have to find the probability of someone liking pop plus the probability of someone liking country. Okay, so the probability that someone likes pop is 32 out of 100, but we can keep our probabilities as a percentage. Okay, because remember I told you that was another way to write probability. So we do not have to write it as a fraction since it's already written as a percentage. Probability of people liking country is 12%. And then I can just add those two percentages together. And so the probability that someone likes pop or country is 44%. So when you have two options here and it's an or option, then what you're going to do is you're going to add together those two probabilities for your answer. So pause the video and calculate the probability that someone would like classical or rock, and then restart the video to check your work. Okay, so for this one I'm going to do the probability that they like classical plus the probability that someone likes rock music. Okay, so rock music is 25%, classical is 3%. So I'm going to add those together. And so the probability, if I survey someone, that they'll like, the probability that they'll like classical or rock music is 28%.